National symbols of India. The national flag of India is Tiranga. It is a beautiful tricolor flag with three stripes of saffron, white, and green. The national flower of India is the lotus flower. Lotus is a sacred flower and an auspicious symbol of Indian culture. The national fruit of India is the mango. Mango is a tropical fruit, that is, it grows well in the warm climate of the tropics. The national animal of India is the tiger, specifically the Bengal tiger. The tiger, which is known as the Lord of the Jungle, was selected as India's national animal as it was seen to symbolize the country's rich wildlife. The national bird of India is the peacock, which is commonly known as the Indian peafowl. In terms of its symbolism, the peacock is meant to represent grace and beauty. The national aquatic animal of India is the river dolphin, which also goes by the name of the Ganges river dolphin. Ganges river dolphins are found in the Ganges Brahmaputra Delta in India, Nepal, and Bangladesh. The national emblem of India is the lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath. It consists of 4 lions, all of which are standing back to back on a circular abacus. On the abacus, you can see sculptures of an elephant, a horse, a bull, and a lion. These sculptures are separated by wheels. The emblem stands upon an inverted lotus flower in full bloom. The national river of India is the Ganga, also known as the Ganges. Ganga originates from in the Himalaya mountains at Gomukh, the terminus of the Gangotri Glacier, and falls in the mouth of the Bay of Bengal. The national tree of India is the banyan. The banyan tree is symbolic of eternal life in Indian culture due to its constantly expanding branches. Another important aspect of the banyan tree is its symbolic ties with the unity of India through its towering structure and deep roots. The national heritage animal of India is the elephant. The Indian elephant is a subspecies of the Asian elephant, which can be found in mainland Asia. Jana Gana Mana is the national anthem of the Republic of India. The national anthem was written by Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore. The national currency of India is the Indian rupee. The name of the Indian rupee comes from a silver coin called rupya. National Song of India was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Vande Mataram, as the lyrics of National Song of India was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India in 1950. The national game of India is hockey.
Please like and subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.